Hey everyone, Charlie Klasko here and welcome to Crypto Wall Street. If you want to sign up for a monthly newsletter report where you get valuable insights about market trends, data analytics, and also tips about ICOs, etc., sign up for my free monthly report at the link below this video and get all those insights immediately to your email. There's also a link to my Facebook page where I will notify people immediately when there's a new video on YouTube and also when the newsletter is out, so you can check that out immediately. Because as you know, in this cryptocurrency world, things change very fast. Today I'm going to take you through the first step of investing in cryptocurrencies. So this is for you that want to start investing in cryptocurrencies like myself. Maybe you're already investing in it and you just want to make sure you're doing the things right, or want some more information about how you should do your investing here, what to be aware of, what to think about, etc. So I'll take you through that today. So first thing I'll tell you is that cryptocurrency world is very risky, as you probably know, and there is a risk of losing all your money, and there you can also make a lot of money, which is why we're all here. We want to make a fortune, right? Now I'm quite serious about the losing part. I don't want any of you to invest more than you can afford, meaning you should be able to laugh if you lose all your money. Don't invest more than you can afford. That's very important. So a good thing is to set a certain amount that you want to invest, and that's it. And say, well, I want to invest $1,000, $100, $10,000, whatever it is, and that's it. So don't start adding more money in if you lose those money or if things doesn't seem like going well for you. Remember, this can be a long-term investment as well. So you have to be patient, but do yourself a favor and set an amount of money you want to invest so your life goes on if you lose the money you invest here. Deal? Alright, so once you've done that, there are certain steps you should go through and certain things you should be aware of. So, say you heard about a cryptocurrency you want to invest in, say 10x or Monaco, as I talked about in a previous video. Say you want to invest in 10x. You can't just take your credit cards and then go online and invest in 10x. It doesn't work that way. The way it works is that first you have to use your Fiat Money. The Fiat Money, or maybe I mispronounced it, it's spelled F-I-A-T, Fiat Money. You have to use that money, and that's your old money, as some people say. Others call it regular money. I would like to call it tangible money. It's money that's printed. For example, this is the Danish crown. It's printed money. Okay, so it could be dollars, US dollars, Guatemalan quetzales, or whatever it is, but it's money that's printed from a national bank. That's the fiat money. And those money are the money you use to buy into one of the four main cryptocurrencies. And you need one of the four main cryptocurrencies in order to start trading other cryptocurrencies. This is the way it works. So you need either Bitcoin, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, or Litecoin. All right, those are the four currencies as of today, December 21st, 2017, that you need to buy first before you start trading other currencies. So you can't buy 10x before you buy either one of those four, and that's the way it works right now. So let me tell you this, and this is important to know. If you want to buy a cryptocurrency, let's say 10x, I recommend you to buy Ether first. And why is that? Because Ether is cheaper to exchange and it's faster as well. So only buy Bitcoin if and only if you want to buy it as an investment, meaning buying it and holding it. Okay, so if you believe that Bitcoin is going to increase in the future, buy it for that reason. Don't buy it just to change it for something else, because it takes longer and there's a higher fee. So if, for example, if you want to buy Monaco or 10x, use your fiat money, go into a website I'll show you in a second where you buy one of those four cryptocurrencies. And here in this case, I recommend you to buy the Ether, and then use the Ether to exchange for the specific cryptocurrency that you're interested in. All right, I'll show you that here on my laptop in a second. Now you can use a number of different websites. I am using Cornmarketcom to see all the different cryptocurrencies that exist today. I think there's about 1,300 or so right now. And you can see all of those in there. You can see the change, you can see the market capitalization, and you can also see where they're exchanged. So this is the way it works. So look at the cryptocurrencies as products on Amazon. Okay, once you click on one of the products on Amazon, you're taken to another site where you see all the sellers, right? There are more than one seller of that product. The same is true in this cryptocurrency world. So say, for example, you want to invest in 10x. You click on 10x on Coinbase, Cornmarketcom, and you're shown maybe 10 or 15 different places where you can purchase or exchange your the 10x. So that's how it works. So first of all, you go to Coinmarketcom, for example. You see what kind of currency you want. You see the change in price as well. You see the market capitalization, and the interesting thing here is that you see the change during the last week, the last day, and the last hour as well. They measure it per hour, which tells us about how fast this world moves, which fascinates me a lot. And this is where you get the overview of the currencies. The other thing you have to do is that you have to open a wallet. I'm sure you've heard that before, a cryptocurrency wallet. Don't get confused with all the terms here. It's no different than when you invest in stocks and bonds and mutual funds in the traditional world of investing. There we simply call it the portfolio. That's the portfolio, your basket of investments. Your wallet is simply your basket of currencies. That's it. There's another website I use for that, and that is Coinbase.com. You can also use GDAX.com, GDAX.com. Those are both wallets where you use your fiat money, your old money, remember that? To purchase either Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ether, or Litecoin, and from there you exchange those for cryptocurrencies to whatever you want. What you will find on CoinMarketCap.com, the website where I see all the different cryptocurrencies, is that when you click on a specific cryptocurrency, you see the prices of that cryptocurrency may differ from the different sellers. Exactly like Amazon. One seller may charge $10 for it while another one charges $9.50 on it. In the world of investing, we call that arbitrage, meaning there's a difference in the prices of the same good, of the same product or service, whatever it is. Here, it's a currency. And that's very interesting because that happens very rarely in the traditional world of investing, but because this cryptocurrency market is so, it's not chaotic, it's a wrong word, but it's unregulated, it's no one really understands it yet, so there's differences in prices, so you may be able to get huge different prices, so be aware of where you buy a cryptocurrency as well. All right, let me show how it works here on my laptop. All right, so the first website I talked to you about is CoinMarketCap.com, and this is where you see all the different cryptocurrencies that are available today, or at least majority of them. I bet there are a few that is not visible on this website, but the vast majority definitely are, so this is a good starting point. Up here in the left hand side corner, you see the number of cryptocurrencies that are available right now. So there's 1,372, that's a lot of different cryptocurrencies. And those currencies are right now traded on 7,710 different exchanges. So that's different sellers of those cryptocurrencies. When you scroll down here, you see all the different cryptocurrencies with Bitcoin, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Litecoin, etc. You see the circulating supply. You see what the change has been in the value over the last 24 hours. And also the volume, how much is traded in the last 24 hours. And here you see the price of it. And it just keeps going down here with all the different cryptocurrencies. And up here you can search for the specific currency you're looking for. So 10x was already put in there because that's what I searched for before. So type in here 10x, it comes up here, like that. So this is what I mean by saying it works the same way like Amazon, because now I pressed on 10x. That's a currency I'm interested in, let's say. So you go down here. First, you can see how it's been developed since it was published, the price and the capitalization. You can see the change over the last day, 16% up. And if you go down here and click on markets, this is what I mean. You see there are actually 34 different places where you can buy 10x, exactly on Amazon, right? And there are different prices, as you see here: $3.99, $3.96, $4.07, 394. So the different prices you can purchase the same coin for. Now that you may ask, which one should I choose then? Well, here are the sources, that's the different exchanges, and of course there are different, there's a difference between all those, you know, some take higher fees than others, and there's also a difference in how user-friendly they are, and that will be a different video, which exchanges you should look out for. But for now, this is just how you do it, and you find the price here, and when you want to go and exchange it or buy it, you press here and you're taken to that exchange. Now, so this is where you find and take a look at the different cryptocurrencies. The second website I talk about is Coinbase, coinbase.com. And this is your wallet, sort of say your portfolio. This is where you buy one of the 4 different main cryptocurrencies, as I said. So either the Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ether, or Litecoin. My numbers here is Danish crowns because I'm in Denmark right now. It registers that, so it's Danish crowns. And this is where you start. So you start here is euros. So once you create an account here on Coinbase.com, you use your credit card or you connect to a bank account. You transfer money in euros, just regular transfer payment. So you don't have to worry about that. The money goes in here in euros, and then you start exchanging that for one of those 4 here. And remember, unless you want to hold on Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash, use Ether. Put your money in Ether and then use that to exchange to your the cryptocurrency you want. So the way it works is that if you want to buy 10x, you would go in here, create an account, you would use your credit card, buy Ether here, and then you would transfer the Ether here to the specific exchange that you found in here to get your 10x. So that's how that works. Alright everyone, so that's what I have for you today. So this gives you a good understanding of where to start when you want to start investing in cryptocurrencies, what to be aware of and what to think about, what to be aware of. In one of my upcoming videos, I'll do my first crypto investment. So I will take you through how I do when I invest in cryptocurrencies, and you'll be able to follow that as well. If you want to get valuable insights and news about the cryptocurrency world, what's going on, education on this, sign up for my free monthly newsletter report. There's a link below here. There's also a link to my Facebook page where I'll notify you when there's a new video or the newsletter's up or there's news that are very valuable for investing. And that's it for today, and I'll see you around.